So ever wondered about those quirky looking coins popping up in the crypto market? Meet meme coins, a playful twist on cryptocurrency. Now, for those of you who don't know what a meme is, well, here are a few examples. Unlike the serious coins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, meme coins are inspired by internet jokes, and they've exploded in popularity over the years. At the heart of the meme coin lies a vibrant global community, from digital art to real-world meetups, and supporters are more than investors. In fact, they're part of a cultural movement that is celebrating the spirit of innovation. So it all started with Dogecoin, which was created as a joke back in 2013. Now, since then, it has grown in popularity. In fact, at the time of this recording, about $2.6 billion have been traded within the last 24 hours, making the total market cap of this coin $28.4 billion US. Now, compare this to the total market cap of Bitcoin, which is $1.39 trillion US. Dogecoin is a pretty impressive coin. Now, the market for the meme coins is volatile, and investing can seem like a roller coaster at times, full of ups and full of downs. The value can also be influenced by social media trends, celebrity endorsements, and tweets. So last year, the price of Dogecoin increased by more than 30% when Elon Musk changed the Twitter logo to an image of Shiba Inu dog, this one here. And for every meme success story, there are many that fail to gain attraction. At Tech Refuge, we take the world of emerging tech and break it into bite-sized, understandable chunks. So if you feel you're getting value from this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. So meme coins harness the power of blockchain, which offers transparency and decentralization. Now, these coins aren't just about speculations. They have also been leveraged for good. For example, raising amounts for charities and social causes. There is one example called AI Doge. AI Doge calls itself the first charity meme coin, and their goal is to donate to charities as well as building communities. Now, 5% of all transactions are donated to charities, and donations in the past have included the Rainforest Trust. So as meme coins gains popularity, they have also attracted the attention of regulators. So misleading the public and making false claims may land coin creators in jail. So if you're thinking about diving into the world of meme coins, remember to do your own research before you spend any pennies. So share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about meme coins? Do they have a future? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button.